Nice ice cubes. Hello, today we're reviewing VEVOR's famous ice maker. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's show you what you get and let's demonstrate it for you. Okay, couple things about the ice maker. Make sure you go ahead and remove all of this tape that you see around the whole unit. Another thing I love about VEVOR ice maker, they make it simple. So what you do is you lift this flap up and this is your drain line. So all you have to do is pull this off, but don't pull it off until you have the water where you want to run it. So if you want to run it outside or into a bucket and then pour it out, you can, which is really nice. And then you just simply connect it back up, lift up and put it back down like that. It is so simple. They make it so easy. This of course comes with a manual. I do want to point out, please keep this upright. A lot of brands say upright for a couple hours, so have it upright like this after you unbox it for a couple hours before you actually turn it on. Some people say 24 hours, so that's going to be up to you, but that allows the coolant liquid inside to settle. And of course it has a cleaning mode and you're on and off. And take a look at this. This is so cool. I love this. You got a nice window in here as well. So you would open this up, slide out your ice tray. Make sure you go ahead and remove the tape, and of course wash and clean everything. You would fill your water inside here, and right here is going to be a max line. I don't know if you guys can see that, but do not fill it past that point. So I wouldn't fill it past the top right up in here. You don't want it to overflow too far. Make sure you take a look around, and I do recommend cleaning the inside. So clean the inside out. You know, just scrub it down before you use it. So of course you place your water in there and then you put this back inside. The ice will drop down in here. So what you guys can also do is you can run it, and I highly recommend you do this, run it for a bunch of cycles before you actually use the ice to eat. I like to do probably about 4 to 9 cycles of ice before I drink, or well, not drink, but before I actually use the ice for consuming. That way it gets anything out of your lines and the ice cubes taste better. So if your ice cubes taste a little weird, then I highly recommend you guys go through a bunch of cycles. By the way, there is a thin layer of plastic that you guys can peel off if you want. If you're wondering if you can use it with a power bank, yes you can. As we can see here, it's taken 235 watts. That's with all of our lights plugged in as well. So we got all of our lights and accessories for our filming studio plugged. If it doesn't go up, then we'll continue to the next clip. So take a look, guys. Nice ice cubes. Overall, I like this a lot, and I love that it holds a lot of ice. Overall, I'm very happy with this.